are one of the 12, only 12 guys, only 12 Latino-owned companies that is being featured with such an institution as the Commanders. Really proud about this moment, really proud, really thankful of the Commanders choosing us as one of the business to represent the Latino community. And let's go Redskins! Let's go. What's the Redskins-Commanders biggest rival on the NFL?
The Dallas Cowboys.
There you go.
Okay.
What do you think is the minimum down payment to buy a house nowadays?
40 down payment.
Down payment.
The minimum down payment to buy a house nowadays
Today?
is anywhere between $15,000 to $25,000.
Okay.
4.
For what?
4.
4% down?
4%.
Okay.
I think I'm already following you on Facebook.
There you go. Awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. She is following. Hey! How many Super Bowls that the Commanders won?
I think it's 5.
5 champions. Good answer. 5 championships, 3 Super Bowls. Who's our biggest rival in the NFL?
The Cowgirls.
Yeah, the Cowgirls. That's the answer.
Cowgirls.
You get double points for that one. You get
Cowgirls.
the Cowgirls. You guys heard it. I didn't say it.
Philly?
Philly. Huh?
The Cowboys.
There you go. What year did the name got changed to the Commanders?
21. It ain't been long. 22.
22 is right. How many? What do you think is the minimum down payment to buy a house?
Probably like 1,000.
10,000. How about 1% down?